Which bird is known for its large, colorful tail feathers that it displays during courtship? A. Peacock. B. Sparrow. C. Finch. D. Robin. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Peacock. What is the primary diet of a hummingbird? A. Seeds. B. Insects. C. Nectar. D. Fruit. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Nectar. Which of the following birds can swim well and is known for its black and white plumage? A. Puffin. B. Penguin. C. Seagull. D. Albatross. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Penguin. Which bird is often considered a symbol of peace? A. Dove. B. Eagle. C. Owl. D. Falcon. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Dove. What type of bird is the famous character Big Bird from Sesame Street? A. Canary. B. Ostrich. C. Roadrunner. D. Cockatoo. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Canary. What is the fastest bird in the world? A. Golden eagle. B. Peregrine falcon. C. Red-tailed hawk. D. American kestrel. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Peregrine falcon. Which bird is known for migrating long distances, often flying thousands of miles? A. Penguin. B. Sandhill crane. C. Sparrow. D. Parakeet. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Sandhill crane. What bird is known for its distinctive red breast and is often associated with Christmas? A. Bluebird. B. American robin. C. Cardinal. D. Wren. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. American robin. Which bird has a unique ability to mimic human sounds? A. Mockingbird. B. Blue jay. C. Starling. D. All of the above. Choose the correct answer. Answer D. All of the above. Which bird is famous for building elaborate nests in trees and bushes? A. Woodpecker. B. Weaver bird. C. Crow. D. Sparrow. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Weaver bird. What bird is known for its colorful plumage and long tail, often seen in tropical regions? A. Toucan. B. Puffin. C. Blue jay. D. Flamingo. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Toucan. Which bird is the largest member of the owl family? A. Great horned owl. B. Barn owl. C. Eurasian eagle owl. D. Burrowing owl. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Eurasian eagle owl. What type of environment do great blue herons usually inhabit? A. Forests. B. Deserts. C. Wetlands. D. Mountains. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Wetlands. Which bird's name is derived from a Native American term that means gravelly voice? A. Bald eagle. B. Wood duck. C. Coot. D. Crow. Choose the correct answer. Answer D. Crow. What is the primary color of a male cardinal? A. Yellow. B. Blue. C. Red. D. Green. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Red. Which bird is known for its exceptional long migrations, often traveling from North America to Central America? A. Barn swallow. B. Monarch butterfly. C. Snowy owl. D. Canada goose. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Barn swallow. What bird is often referred to as the king of the skies? A. Falcon. B. Osprey. C. Eagle. D. Vulture. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Eagle. Which bird is known for its ability to dive underwater to catch fish? A. Puffin. B. Kingfisher. C. Hummingbird. D. Swallow. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Kingfisher. What type of bird is often a pest in urban areas due to its large population and adaptability? A. Sparrow. B. Pigeon. C. Starling. D. All of the above. Choose the correct answer. Answer D. All of the above. Which bird is famous for its elaborate courtship dance and calls during the mating season? A. Flamingo. B. Quail. C. Sandhill crane. D. Woodcock. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Sandhill crane.